Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Circles and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so to make this a easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys the chords and then two strum patterns. So the first chord is going to be a C major 7 to an E minor 7 to an F, then an F minor, and then a G. So we're going to be using these 5 chords for the entire song. So I'm going to teach you guys 2 ways to play this. The first way is going to be easier to understand, easier to play. And the second way is going to be kind of closer to what you hear in the song. So I'm going to be using the verse as an example. We're going to be changing each chord on the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And using the strum pattern of down up. Don't know the words though. You guys get it. So in the chorus, it's going to be a little different. We're not going to use F minor, we're going to use G instead. So that was an easy strum pattern for you to use. Now if you want to get it to close as possible to the actual strumming, we're going to be using 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and as you can see, the C major 7 chord is on the 1, and then the E minor 7 is going to be on the and right after the 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I'm just going to use the same thing for the F to the F minor. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So together that would sound like this. And you'll do the same thing for the chorus, also using the G. So knowing the strum pattern and the changes between the chorus and verse, hopefully you guys can use that to play this entire song. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, check out my other videos, and I guess I'll see you guys on another one.